Hello, what's up guys? Thank you for checking this video. Today's topic is why funny videos makes us laugh. So let's begin. Wait. This is our brand new YouTube channel. So please make sure that you have hit the subscribe button. If you have done with this, let's roll the intro. As you know, we are a human being and we are the smartest creature of the earth. That's why we have a lots of creative capabilities to control our lives and many more. Every time when we do something good, we feel great. Even if when we are watching a video or a content which is funny, the content creator or the actor of the video cracks something funny or a funny scenario that makes us laugh. But why? Why we laugh? Why we feel pleasure? Is there any reason? Yes, of course, there is a reason. And the reason is dopamine. But why the dopamine is releasing when we watch this? Because when we are watching this scene, we feel that the scenario is actually happening in front of us and we are enjoying it behind the scene, and that's why we feel pleasure and we laugh. So what is dopamine? Let's talk a while about it. Actually, dopamine is a kind of happiness hormone which gives us pleasure, motivation, willpower, etc. Further, dopamine makes us creative, and also it is only responsible for our laziness. Let's talk about two scenarios that will help you to know that how you can use your dopamine to make you creative and also how dopamine makes us lazy. So let's begin. Now let's talk about first scenario. A man named John who is currently locked down under this COVID-19 situation, and he feels bored because there is nothing to do in this situation and he can't go out and hang out with his friends and also can't do other activities that he usually do. So he started watching TV shows on YouTube or Netflix, which helps him spending a good time and giving pleasure to himself. Let's talk about second scenario. A man named Alex who is also locked down under this COVID-19 situation. He thinks that why we should not use this time, because there is a lot of time that we can use to make ourselves better. So he started researching on YouTube how to become a software developer, and he finds something great on YouTube and he started watching those videos. By watching those videos, in a few months he becomes a software developer and he earned a job from a freelancing site. By doing that job, he earned a lot of money that gives him great pleasure. Let's describe the two scenarios. In the first scenario, John, who just wasted his time by watching those TV shows on Netflix or YouTube, that makes him pleasure for a certain time, nothing but makes him lazy. On the other hand, Alex, who used his time to become a software developer, and by becoming a software developer, he earned from his home. And under this COVID-19 situation, earn from home is a great way, and he did it. So we can say that on the both scenario, dopamine has been released. But in the first scenario, dopamine makes John lazy, and in the second scenario, dopamine makes Alex creative. So that is for today's video guys. Hope you liked it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and your families. And make sure that you have commented down below how you spent your lockdown time. Thank you.